last thing she wanted was a big hassle, so she chose SafeLight. Only SafeLight emails a photo of the technician, so she knew who was coming and how soon. And SafeLight's exclusive resin stays stronger and lasts longer than inferior resins. Plus, thanks to her insurance, a SafeLight repair was no cost to her. Choose SafeLight.
SafeLight repair, SafeLight replace. You think your toothpaste is working? Let's find out.
This shows your black germs?
Okay. Those are germs?
Yep, germs.
You want to see Colgate Total now? Yes. See? A lot less germs than Colgate Total. Big difference. Colgate Total. Start fighting germs for 12 hours.
Hi! We're spreading the word about new Honey Bunches of Oats fruit blends and their unique taste combination.
Like peach raspberry.
With one flavor for the vanilla bunch and one on the plate.
2 flavors.
In harmony.
Honey Bunches of Oats. Make your day bunches better.
Therese uses Dove, Molly, or Lilly soap. Would they switch? Notice the difference?
It feels very tight.
Soap leaves behind soap residue that can cause a tight, draggy feeling. With 1 quart of moisturizing cream, Dove cleansers rinse cleaner than soap.
Eating good is hard, especially when temptation lurks around every corner. That's why Pure Protein makes delicious protein bars, shakes, and powders with high-quality protein to help maintain lean muscle and strength.
Lilly.
Fuel your body.
Lilly.
And promote